today's video, we're going to show you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to get different shields in Monopoly Go? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so as you can see here, we are now in our board. So if you don't know what shields are things that can defend your structures that you build in your board as your properties. So how to get shields, you can get them from landing on boards like this one, right? So different parts of the board have shields. So we can see one in the yellow, one in the green, one in the blue, one in the light blue. So all you need to do is play the game and hopefully land on the shield to get them. So we just pass one. Let's go. Because right now, as you can see, we don't have shields at the moment. And now we are going to attack somebody else. Oh, not really. It's a thing. Right, we got large heist. Collect 12,000. That's pretty good. But we don't need that. What we need is to get a shield. Hopefully the green one. Nope. So basically, all you need to do is hopefully. So this is pretty much RNG. Land on a shield, a tile that has a shield in it. Collect. Okay. 30 rolls. That's pretty good. Okay. Okay, now we're in jail. We need to roll. Okay, we lost money, but it doesn't matter. Let's just go to get some shields. So as you can see, it's pretty hard to get shields because, again, it's very RNG. So that's very unlucky. Holy crap. So we're going to lose money again, but it doesn't matter because what we want is shields. So as you can see, we don't have anything anymore, but I think you kind of get it. So you just need to roll until you land on a tile that has a shield in it, and you collect that shield, and you can defend yourself. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.